The content shown in this video should be considered for entertainment purposes only. The actions and information that follow are fictional and/or reenactments. Do not try this at home.
What's up, gang? You back with your boy Polo Red, man. And on this video today, man, I'm gonna show y'all, if y'all watched that last video and got the LLC for $1, now I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can legally do y'all paycheck stub and get y'all legal bank statements where y'all don't gotta be worried about docs and all that other information. This video right here, I'm gonna show y'all how to get legal check stubs and legal bank statements with your LLC, where you can get to the bag with your credit cards. You liquidate your cards, get the cash in your bank account, run your play. So make sure y'all check me out, subscribe to the channel, share the video, get the free Bible, and let's get into this video, man. What's up with it, man? Y'all back rocking with the Empire, and this your boy Polo Red, man. So, man, a lot of y'all been hitting me up now that y'all got y'all LLC for $1, want to know what can you do to get to the bag. So I'm dropping a little video on y'all today, try to make it short and sweet, straight to the point. In this video right here, I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can legally make y'all bank statements and paycheck stubs through your LLC that you done set up for $1. You know what I'm saying? So now you can go out there and start applying for loans and credit cards, and when they ask you for documentation or proof, you can show them, and you don't gotta worry about it. When they verify, everything gonna come back good, and you're gonna be able to keep everything rolling smooth as usual. You know what I'm saying? So by this time, you should already have some credit cards because you did some of my other steps from the other plays, and boom, by this time you got your credit card. So this is how you're gonna set it up to start running money through your LLC and getting paycheck stubs and bank statements. So first thing you're gonna do is, now you got your LLC, you're going to get a payment processor. And now that ADP is then integrated with Plastic, now you can use your credit card to run payroll through your business. And what I mean by that is, you can take one of your business credit cards or your personal, and you can pay yourself. And even to catch about that, when you use that credit card or that business credit card's reward card, you still gonna get the points for using it. So this is another way. If you're down with MS spending, this is a great way to rack that up. You know what I'm saying? You can just keep running it through over and over and over. You know what I'm saying? Say if you got $5,000 on the card, you can run it, get the check for $5,000, pay the credit card back, run it again, get the check for $5,000, pay the credit card back, run it again, so on and so on, if you get where I'm going. You know what I'm saying? But now that you got your LLC, you come here to set up your payment process. So when you're gonna come here, you're gonna come down, you can read all this information, but you basically, you're gonna be a small business, but you're basically gonna come right here, hit start code. It's gonna ask you a couple of questions. Are you a client? You're gonna hit no. What you're here for, we want the payroll, so we're gonna click payroll. Click here, then it's gonna ask you for your information about your business. You're gonna get your zip code, number of employees, company name, your email. You're gonna hit next, and then they're gonna set you up for appointment. A representative gonna call you, ask you a couple of questions, your information about your business, EIN number, which all y'all should have, stuff like that. Boom, now you set it up. So now you set up, you ready to go. And you know what I'm saying? And this is the company right here, Plastic. And if y'all don't know about Plastic been out. So even if you don't got an LLC and you watching this and you got some credit cards and you're trying to find out the way, like, man, I need to get the money off the credit card to invest in some trucking companies, some vending machines, some stuff like that, you can use Plastic. They're gonna charge you a little fee, but what they'll do is they'll let you use the credit card and they'll deposit the money in your personal account or your business account, whichever one you have. And now you just then got the card, money off the card. Now you can invest in whatever business opportunity you're trying to invest in real quick with the money you got, because you got access to all this credit that you've been building. You know what I'm saying? So Plastic been out. It just hooked up with ADP right now on the business side, but Plastic been out. For y'all who don't know what Plastic is a company that, like I say, once again, let you use a credit card to pay your bills. Like you can pay your rent, You can pay your car note, lights, cable, anything that you was trying to pay with a credit card that when you tried to call, they'd be like, nah, we're not accepting credit cards. But you can go through Plastic and for a small fee, like I said, they'll let you run the credit card, deposit the money in your account, you know what I'm saying, the next day with direct deposit, wire transfer. Now you can take the money out and do what you need to do with it to get to the bag. You know what I'm saying? If y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all understand the sauce. But back to what we're here for. So now you're here, you done got your LLC set up and you got your payroll set up. So now when you're getting your business credit cards with big limits and you need to, you know, get the money off of them to run the play so you can invest in other businesses, it's already set up with your business. Your business got a payroll processing. Now you got legitimate bank stubs. You got legitimate check stubs. When they verify, everything gonna pop up. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of y'all trying to go get loans and this and that, and you keep saying you keep getting denied because you don't got your paperwork and you out looking for docs and all that. This gonna kill all that. Now you're gonna have everything you need at the touch of your fingertips, and you're gonna be able to set your business up, run your bread through it, invest in your other businesses, keep it going, and so on and so on. So I ain't gonna hold y'all up tonight, man. I just wanted to make a quick video because a lot of y'all been hitting me and asking me questions about it. I was like, hey, do I know this? How I do this? How I do that? So I'm just making a quick video for the master people, you know, in the tele group. All y'all been hitting me up, you know what I'm saying? So I'm putting this out here for y'all. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, share the information, man, and you know, come back, check me out for another video, man. I appreciate y'all hanging out, getting entertained for a minute, man. Y'all have a blessed one.
What it do? Yeah. You know what it is? Yeah. MJ. Disaster. Woo. I'm so dope when I step up in it. Damn food collection clothes smelling just like spinach. I guess